Morning, folks. Chuck here. Why not wander? It's Saturday morning, December the 1st. Miss Linda and I. Oh, there's our Christmas tree. I was going to show you that. Miss Linda does still decorate. Even in the RV, she hangs up some stockings. It looks like we got Dad, Mom, and one for all four of the Motley crew. But this stack here, we're getting ready to take some trash out. Things have been kind of piling up. Got to get the Motley crew, our four little dogs, out for a little walk here. I'm walking pretty good this morning. We'll maybe have Linda show you just a little bit here. Why don't you take the camera? I'm going to toss this out.
All right, come on, dogs. We got snow here. We're supposed to have a couple of inches by tomorrow night. Icky, but you know.
I'll take this over. Put it in the pickup too.
Excellent.
Now, I got long pants on. It's snowing today. I might not be wearing shorts so much for a while, but if you recall, this is the knee I just had replaced. Now let's see, it'll be 2 weeks ago come Tuesday. This is Saturday. So I had this done, the other one done in August, but really I'm doing pretty well. Just gonna walk this over to the truck.
All right.
And
why don't you take this back?
I was gonna have you watch me walk.
Shut the door.
Okay, that's all right. Anyway, gonna go put the cooler. We were using it with the ice machine when I was in Cindy's house, so my little ice therapy thing, I always had plenty of ice.
Don't you love the pants? He's so festive.
Oh yeah, I'm a Wyoming Christmas guy today.
Yeah.
Wyoming Christmas guy, duck hunter. I got my camouflage hat on too. So.
What a combination.
Wind really kills that camera.
I can feel the wind. I'll put it out here for just a minute. Welcome to western Nebraska.
Okay. I'm going to take the camera, let Linda walk away so we don't get our leashes quite so tangled.
Hang on.
Well, I had to move. My leg was...
Oh, I understand. I'm sorry.
I was losing my balance on this uneven ground.
All right, Cooper's
But anyway, snowy day in western Nebraska. I'll probably add more to this video later. We're just going to walk this trash over. Get a little bit of exercise this morning. Dumpster's just right there if you can see it. It's quick and easy to take care of these things, but we got Linda a new Keurig. Her other one was kind of off and on, so another slightly early Christmas present. Yeah, I might walk along. I'll leave the camera go. If the wind is too much, maybe I can just edit it out. Cold and blustery, I think. When I looked, I think the temperature is about 16 this morning. Doing really well. Got the stitches out yesterday. Here, I'll hand this back to you while I walk back.
I don't know that Lily is. She might be. Come on, Jasper, get out of there. Jasper, where's Sparky? Okay, here we go. Back in our house.
Okay, folks, it's Chuck again. Why not wander? I am in Michelle's Avalanche. Got three of the Motley crew here with me. Got Jasper in the back seat wondering where Mom is. Sparky and Lily wondering where we're going. We're getting ready to head to the grocery store, but also the lady up at the campground office, which is right the other side of this spruce tree right here, called a little bit ago. Said she's got somebody else coming in, so we were going to need to move this vehicle because we were actually parked in it's a double site here. You can see the hookups for the next RV right here, and they've got this reserved. She said apparently they're going to be full by the end of the month. There's some pipeline construction going on around here. Again, it's December 1st. 2018 Saturday. So what we're going to do, we're just going to shuffle vehicles. I'm going to pull this into the other end of our spot. There's a spot here, spot there. There's plenty of room for two vehicles back there, but while nobody was here, we were just leaving this one sit in this end. So I'm just going to I'll probably go up and turn around. It's kind of short corners. It's been kind of raining and wet, so rather than mush in the mud, trying to make too sharp a corner and missing the pavement. These roadways aren't very wide. We'll just come up here and turn around. Then pull in, then I'll put the dogs back in the coach. When I got ready to come outside, they decided they better come out with me. Of course, they need out every once in a while anyway. That's my seatbelt bonger going off. But we're just going right here. I'm going to park this, and we're going to take the Dakota to run over the store. We'll run up to the office there. Pay the rent for the month. I think she told me it's like $5.50 for the month, full hookups. And that's cheaper than, depending on exactly when we leave. We're planning on leaving most likely the day after Christmas, but depending on weather. If it's cold and snowy and everything's frozen, we want the option of staying an extra day or two. We do want to be here till Christmas with kids and grandkids and everything. So anyway, come on, dogs. Come on. Come on, Lily. We're going in. Lily. Come on, Sparks. Come on, Lily. He's busy. She's busy looking out the window. Come on, Lily. Come on.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Oh, she's shivering. Come on.
I'll give you the key to the house, and I'll go get in the truck.
Okay. I figured.
So.
Come on. Jasper, did he go back in? I think Jasper.
Oh, wait, here.
In the truck.
In this one?
Yes. I think he got back in there. You're going to get a back seat.
Jasper, come on.
Come on. Come on. No, Sparky. Come
Sparky, come on. We're not going for a ride.
Let's go. Come on.
They love to go for rides. Mainly, they love not to be left alone. So anyway, we're going to run to the store here. Come back, make some soup for supper. Thought we had everything we needed. Turns out we didn't. Before the snow starts accumulating, we're just going to make a trip to the grocery store. There's a nice little grocery store. Fresh Foods Market. Just a couple miles from where we're parked here. In fact, okay, I don't know if you can see it, but straight west from us, if we look straight ahead, is Scottsbluff National Monument. If you can see, it's kind of white tinged on top up there. I just noticed it. Our campground's kind of over that way, about a mile that way, and then a mile to the left. Here we are again. East side of Scottsbluff National Monument. See a little bit of the snow up on top of the hills there. It's almost like a temperature line across here, like a frost line on a propane tank for you RVers. Shows you where the level of the warmth is. South, they call that the Wildcat Hills. If we kept going south on this highway towards Kimball. Heard earlier Interstate 80, which is about 45 miles south of here, was closed west of Brady, Nebraska, which is, I don't know, 140, 150 miles east from where we are. Apparently there's some bad weather happening somewhere. So.
Cold.
Yes, it's cold. Let's see the thermometer. Oh, it says 36 degrees. I think it's warmed up some. I was thinking it was like 16 this morning. Maybe it wasn't that cold.
Wind.
Well, the wind, yeah, the wind chill makes a definite difference, but the ground isn't quite that cold yet because everything that's come down on the ground here has melted, whereas up on the hills it's starting to stick a little bit. So anyway, 'tis the season. Y'all be safe, have a great day. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.